Imagine a world where education takes you beyond the classroom and into the skies. Welcome to the DARTdrones Intro to Drones course, your launchpad into the incredible world of drones. Visualize and learn how drones are transforming industries, from film to farming, search and rescue to package delivery. These aren't just gadgets, they're tools that are reshaping our future, and you can be at the helm of these exciting careers. Step into a classroom where every lesson is an opportunity to innovate and inspire. This course is your gateway to an extraordinary career, blending hands-on lessons, creativity, and real-world skills. Dive deep into the heart of drone technology, where learning is as exciting as flying. Explore the inner workings of drone innovation, experiencing how each part plays a role in their incredible capabilities. Envision a future where your job is an adventure, soaring into new possibilities each day. Discover the vast array of careers in the drone industry, from environmental conservation to entertainment. The sky's the limit. Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business? Your entrepreneurial spirit can soar in the drone industry. We'll show you what it takes to launch a successful drone venture. From marketing strategies to legal know-how, we cover it all. Are you ready to fly? Feel the excitement of real-world drone operations where every flight is a learning experience. You'll start with small, lightweight drones and grow in size and more advanced drones from there. Master the art of flying through hands-on training and missions. Conduct aerial surveys, inspect infrastructure, and more. The real world is your classroom. Set your sights high by earning your FAA Part 107 certificate. This certificate is your passport to a sky-high career and the foundation of the program. This is where you actually become a certified drone pilot once you have passed the required FAA exam. The Part 107 is a real pilot certification that is issued by the Federal Aviation Administration. It's not for the faint of heart, but studying through DARTdrones simplifies that material as much as possible. Spanning 13 critical focus areas, this course will deepen your understanding of key topics such as airspace and FAA regulations, aviation weather, drone performance, and safe operation protocols. Additionally, you'll gain expertise in vital skills such as radio communication, emergency procedures, and aeronautical decision-making. With this certification, you become eligible to be hired by real companies using drones. This certification should be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, and your wallet when you get your FAA drone pilot license in the mail. Imagine the pride and possibilities as you stand at the forefront of the drone revolution. Graduating from this Intro to Drones course, you're not just ready for the future, you are the future.